Hi, in this video you're going to be getting a quick tutorial on how to use the snipping tool in Microsoft Windows 11. First, to get to the snipping tool, we're going to go down to the Start button at the bottom left, click on that, and click on the snipping tool icon. Here you'll get a pop-up and you'll see that you have a choice to use your camera, so you can snip just a screenshot, or you can use the video camera if you'd like to make a screencast recording. If you use the camera, you'll notice also that you have the choice to delay your screenshot 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 11 seconds. So let me bring up something that I want to take a screenshot of, and let's say I just want to do this area of the screen that I would be presenting. I bring up my snipping tool, I'm on the camera, I'm going to click New, and now I'm going to select the area that I want to have my screenshot, and there it is. What I can do now, I have some choices. I can add some digital inking, highlighting. I can add shapes, especially if I want to draw attention to something. I can use arrows as well, and I can change the color and thickness of those lines right here on the outline part. Then when I'm all finished, I have the choice to copy and paste it somewhere else, or I can hit Save. And when I hit save, it'll go right into my OneDrive. I can change the name, find the location where I want to save it, and then just hit save. If I wanted to make a video, I could click on the video, go to New. Again, I can select the area I want. I could do my whole screen or just a partial part of my screen. At the top, I also need to remember, do I want to hear my voice? So if you do, just click to unmute it and it'll pick it up. And also, do you want to pick up the audio that's going to be on your computer? If you don't, you can mute that out. But when you start it, you're going to get a 3, 2, 1, and then you have your video. You can pause it if you need to readjust your screen or bring something new up, or you can hit stop, and that'll stop your recording, and then you have the same choice to copy it somewhere, or you can save it to your OneDrive, and again, you can preview it before you even decide if you want to save it or not. You do see right here it says you can edit your video in Clipchamp. Unfortunately, at this time, Calvert County Public Schools does not have Clipchamp on our approved vendor list for platforms that we can use, but hopefully in the future it will be coming. But that is how you use the snipping tool. Enjoy!